ready to transform your raw data into captivating stories anyone can understand. First, open your web browser and search for Tableau Public. Click on the top result, which should be the official Tableau website. On the Tableau Public website, locate and click the button that says Download Tableau Public. You'll likely be prompted to fill out a short form. Provide the required information, which usually includes your email address and a role description. Be sure to check the I agree to the terms and conditions box. Next, click the Download App button and wait patiently while the Tableau Public installation file downloads to your computer. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves downloaded files. Locate the Tableau Public installation file. It usually has Table Public Dest in its name. Double-click the installation file to launch the installer. You will probably need to allow the app to be installed by approving a prompt from your computer. Review the licensing agreement or terms and conditions, then click the Accept and Install or similar worded button to begin the installation. The installation process will begin, which may take a few minutes. Don't worry, just let it run until it's complete. Once the installation is complete, you'll be able to open Tableau Public. Now, you can connect to your data, create stunning visuals, and share your insights with the world. Get ready to explore, analyze, and visualize.